Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Origami. Today I will show you how to make a paper dragon. So let's get started. Please subscribe this channel and leave a like below. You can take any type of paper, fold the basic triangles and the squares on the paper, and then of the squares and push it inside. Come closer and then try and make this. It will then look like this. Guys, you can use any type of paper. It's not necessary to use origami papers. You can use old newspapers, rough pages or pamphlets. See this? Isn't this cute? I made this from a small piece of pamphlet. Now take this line to this point. Do the same to all the sides. This dragon is not hard, but it looks like that. Now after this is ready, press this inside. Do it both the sides. Now open all the folds. Take this and open it. Once open, pull these 2 points inside and press. Do the same the other side. Now it is ready. You take this point, this line, and take it to the center. Press. Do the same to all the sides. Dragon is almost ready. Now open these flaps and press. And take this up. Now again open these flaps. One as tail and the other as the head. Now we got to move to the wings. Take them out and then take this line to this line. Take this line to this line. And now open all the flaps. And one wing of the dragon is ready. Do the same this side. Now your dragon is ready. Thank you. Don't forget to like this channel